Alright folks, it's Gregory here at Fizz Designs and SEO, and in this video today I want to just go over a question that was asked to me. I'm not going to say by a client, it's not a client yet, hopefully they maybe will become a client, but it was basically from somebody that found our website and they wanted to pop the question about their website, what we thought of it, and would we be able to cover X, Y, and Z things that they were looking for. Now, one of the things they didn't mention was if they were looking a redesign on their website. Now, I had Tom look into the website and he basically came back and says it's running off the WordPress Nevada theme and it's outdated. I think the last update was back in 2019. So that's not good from their perspective. This company is a fair size. I think they've got about 12 staff. So it's not just like a one-man band. It is, it's an important website because it's basically a funnel for bringing them in a lot of business. And at the minute, it's not. That's one of the things that I want to discuss, SEO. But actually, the question that I'm getting to here today is actually about the lifespan of a website. What is the age of their website? Their website's roughly about 5.5 years. But what I'm saying today, you'll see it here in the back up here. A website's lifespan, and I basically took a screenshot, but I used Forbes for this because they were the first thing that came up when we said, what is the lifespan of a website now? Now the lifespan is basically from like when the website was designed through to where it kind of hits that point where it's just starting to get a wee bit outdated. It's needing maybe new updates. Could be a new theme, which is one of the most important things, because themes, all the different things that are working in themes, whether it be code and CSS and look, everything, plugins, softwares, all these things that are in a website, and WordPress we're talking about here because it's WordPress that we deal with. There's nothing else nowadays that we're really even interested in dealing with, because when you have spent the last 15 years dedicated to a platform and something that you really love, that keeps progressing and getting better and better and better. And even if it isn't getting better, it's staying the same, but all the themes and all the people that are working within WordPress community, they're all putting real good stuff into it. And look, if you were to Google what kind of companies worldwide use WordPress, you'll be astounded by the amount of big brand name businesses that are out there that use it. So back to the lifespan of a website. So we'll just get straight into it. Let's see in your head what you think of the lifespan of a website. Is it 6 years? Is it 4 years? 5 years? You'll be really surprised to know that it's actually 2 years and 7 months. And according to research, the average lifespan of a website is 2 years and 7 months. While this time frame can give you some basic guidance, it isn't a hard and fast rule for all organizations. So I kind of like to, with my clients, keep it in a way that it's about, the 3 year mark. You need to consider giving it a wee update, a wee change, a wee clean up. But as always, within that time period of 3 years, we like to be working with our clients on and off, making sure that there's wee updates being applied to their site, refreshes, new content. Maybe it could be image changes, whatever it may be. And most clients do come back anyway because they're looking to get the wee odds and ends tied up or changed, or new product added, or a service removed, or whatever it may be. Business changes, and you'll be finding that as every 12 months goes along, there's always a lot of stuff that goes on within a business. And I would say that, see if you sat down and wrote down all the different wee tweaks and changes you've made throughout that 12 months, there'll be things that need to be updated on your website. So back to this client that's asked, well, it's not client yet, but business. They are asking about all this. I basically just went back and says, look, the theme is the Nevada theme. It is outdated, unfortunately. I would advise, I think any WordPress web designer nowadays would advise that this needs upgraded, it needs changed over to a new type of theme, something new, something fresh, a new builder even that's there. We use Divi most often. We are using B theme, or we're using the so we got going. The B theme builder is the WordPress content builder. Again, there's also the Gutenberg that a couple of websites have. I'm not a great fan of Gutenberg, if I'm honest, but I I tend myself just to stick to Divi most of the times now, because when you become a bit of an expert in it, you really just get good at it, and it keeps progressing, it keeps getting better. Again, this morning in a meeting with Tom, we were just talking about projects that we're on, and I'm saying, have you tried out this new thing in Divi? And he's saying, oh, by the way, you can do this now in the headers. And look, we just got a conversation going as web geeks, saying, look, there's new wee bits and pieces, and we do this every couple of weeks. We're always sitting going, what's new, what have you found? And the fact that he's working on that, and all of the team is working on WordPress and on Divi. There's always somebody, it could be Brian, saying, you know, by the way, I found a cheeky wee fix for something, or did you know that this is now available? Plugins as well, there's untamed thousands of plugins out there, if not millions of plugins out there for WordPress, and it's always good within your team to be talking different things. So that's why I find the teams handy. It's good to get chatting and gabbing about, a wee bit geeky as well, about all the different tools that we have at our end of our hands. So I've then finished up by saying, look, your site is outdated. I explained to them about the Forbes blog that was online that you can read, and that details obviously the 2 years, the 7 months, and blah blah blah. Go and read that, by the way. Just type in lifespan of a website Forbes, you'll find it on Google right at the top. Go and read it, it's a good wee read. And then again, I'm just touching upon software, plugins, themes, and of course the platform itself, WordPress. That always needs to be continually looked after, updated. And the clients that are continually investing in their websites and making them better and better and better, they're the clients that are really going places. And of course then the clients that are over on the SEO board here, that are, you know, consistently doing stuff with and they're on a subscription, they are getting the most out of their websites from a traffic perspective. And I don't know if you've actually seen on the YouTube channel, I think it was yesterday, I was speaking about systems within a website. Systems are key, honestly. If you've got systems, and we're talking about different pages, and there's all types of systems, right? But if you've got systems going within your website, it can really make things a lot easier. You can streamline things, you can save time, and you can save money, of course, in the end as well. Plus you reduce hassle. So I would say go to our website and look up the blog. There was a blog done, I think, this morning. It went live this morning, so it did, and that blog was all about, you know, how to reduce hassle by having systems within your website. Other than that, I think that was it. It basically says, look, it isn't bad news. In fact, it's good news, because it will make your brand operate online faster, look better, and give the end user a more pleasant experience, helping increase conversions. And basically what we're saying there is, by having a new upgrade, a new theme, and listen, that can include pages being redesigned and stuff and made more modern, and of course the mobile side of it is adhered to, because that's the most important thing. We build mobile ready now, and it's mobile first, so that we consider at the very top end always how it looks on a mobile, and of course then how it looks going down through all the other devices as well. So that's pretty much it. I'm just going to leave it out there. If you've got any questions or comments, or you want even to have a chat about this kind of stuff, you can look up Fizz Designs. You've got office number here in Glasgow, Scotland, is 0141 439 1439. I lost it there. The Northern Irish office is 028 25 070 700. And of course you can go to the website, request a callback as well, not a problem. Reach out, give us a shout. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this has been helpful, and if you want to get chatting, just hook us up. I'm Gregory Cooper. I will see you in the next video. Ciao for now. Have a good day.